1, go!
Thanks to that extra bit of confidence from our audience, we've got Team Apprentice and Team Fusion Core firing into the Red Alliance hub as Lady Cans and Apprentice meet in the middle to try to feed their robots. Lady Cans a little bit hung up on the Blue Alliance bump. Human players continuing to score on the Red Alliance. Heavy advantage Red going into teleoperated mode. Blue Alliance has an uphill battle, but if anyone can, these ladies can. Enigma, their robot floating like a butterfly, trying to collect some fuel so they can sting like a beamer. Team Apprentice frantically gathering up as much fuel as they possibly can as Barbecue and Lady Cans try to load some fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. The Mavericks hung up on some fuel in the neutral zone. Enigma carefully gathering some fuel over onto the red side of the field as Team Apprentice gets a jump on the timer, followed by Fusion Core. Barbecue unsticks their teammates, but then they get hung up on the fuel. Lady Cans trying to refuel their robot as Barbecue tries to break free. Fusion Core and Team Apprentice loading the Red Alliance hub. Just in time to shift over to the Blue Alliance. Lady Cans lines up a shot. Barbecue takes a big bite out of their pile of fuel and loads it into the Blue Alliance hub. Lady Cans looks like they're still jammed. Barbecue takes another shot and they make it. Over here on the red side, both Apprentice and Fusion Core not letting up. They come together like two deuterium atoms, making a better whole. The Mavericks jingling away over here on the Blue Alliance. Barbecue trying to line up to the Blue Alliance hub. They make some of their shots. Lady Cans not far behind them, trying to get over to the Blue Alliance side of the field. Both Alliance hubs are active here in the end game as Team Apprentice and Fusion Core both fire to the Red Alliance hub. Looks like Lady Cans may have some problems. They're stationary on the Blue Alliance. 10 seconds left in the match. Barbecue refills. They aim for the Blue Alliance hub, trying to save their match with 3, 2, 1. Victory 137-73. The Red Alliance comes away with a win on this one. They move on to the lower bracket round 3 in match 9, while the Blue Alliance has been eliminated in a tie for 7th place. Let's have a huge round of applause for the Blue Alliance. That's teams 2881 Lady Cans, 2714 Barbecue, and 9121 the Mavericks.